Good morning, everyone. Shortly in this video, I'll be showing you, likewise teaching you how to create a dynamic gate chart using Microsoft Excel. On the screen here, you can see my table. The title of the table is Dynamic Gate Chart. Under the table, you can see a subtable, and inside the column, category column, you can see the ratings: very poor, poor, fair, and good. Then under the value column, you can see some numeric digits, all in percentage. Then by the right hand side, you can see also a smaller table score in which we are not giving any digits for it. And the last one is the rest. We are not giving any what digits for it. So what we do is we generate our formula to know the rest. For us to know the rest, now what we do is what you come to the rest, you highlight on the cell in front of the rest, then you type equals to what sum what highlight all the numeric value or numeric digits in the first table. So highlight it down, then close your bracket, minus sum what the whole cell in the smaller table by the right. So you type your sum, this whole cell in the smaller table by the right, then click enter. So under your score, what will your score be? Your score will be what? You can see by the right side you can see employees performance rating, which is what? 50%. So the score is already on the screen already. So our employee performance rating is 50%. All we have to do is to go to smaller table equals to what? Highlight on the cell of that 50%, click enter. So you can see it now, 50%. So now we can start plotting our chart, our respective chart. So what you do now is to highlight on this cell, highlight on the first table cell, on the first table, then you go to insert. We're trying to plot our chart, so you plot our donut chart. As you can see, our donut chart, so it's too small, so I have to delete the value seek and the legend label. So you can see our donut chart. You click on the what on the chart and what right click on it, click format data. We have to what select the angle or the position I want the chart to be. So I prefer 270 degree. 270 degree. Once you click on 270 degree, you can see that our chart has changed. The angle has been changed. So that's very good. Then here on this particular chart, I prefer this one under format. Click format chart area, go to here. I prefer this chart to be red in color instead of blue. So I prefer red. I prefer red. Okay. Then you highlight on this cell here, this particular green that look like a green or purple. Highlight on it. Format chart area. Come here. What are you selecting? We click no fill. As you can see, we see let no fill. So thank you very much. So we are going gradually. You come to your chart, right click on it. Under outline, select what no outline, and under fill, select no fill. So under outline, no outline, under fill, no fill. So to make our chart more what? To make our chart look transparent. So we've done that. That's the first one. So the next thing we do is we drag this chart, we drag it under the performance rating radar. You can see it here now. Good and fine. Now, what we are trying to do is to want to plot, we want to discover what the next table. So you come here, want to plot chart for the second table, go to insert. So we select this chart. This particular chart is what we want. So you come here, we have to format this chart also. Delete the chart title, then delete the what. So what you do is highlight on your chart, click on format data series. They want to change the angle also. Angle it to angle 270 because it's not in the right position. So we are trying to generate our what? So this is 270. So come here. What you do is you format your outline, no outline, then yeah, no fill, then yeah, no fill. As you can see, no fill. So you come here, You click on our chart, click no fill. Okay, you come here to, you click no fill. You click no fill. As you can see, you come here, your outline, no outline, your fill, no fill. So you click on your chart, you click solid, then you click border. Under border, you make it solid line. Under here, you go to outline, click no outline. So no outline. Then you make the chart color. Instead of to make it red, so we're making it, you format your chart area. Once you format your chart area, it's in red color. We can make it black. Make it black. Okay. So you click outline, no outline. Then you click, you come here, outline, no outline, no outline. Ctrl Z. Then you come to your what? You come to your file under home, go to insert, go to shape. You're looking for shape. So you select circle, you want circle. So you plot your circle, then it's your circle, you change the color to black. You want your circle to be black. So you move the circle, as you can see, you move your circle almost to the center. As you can see, your reader, then you highlight on this. You can see here, click on your cell, go home. So come here, make it smaller. Yes. So as you can see here, congratulations. Congratulations, we successfully created a dynamic gauge chart. So let's test this our gauge chart. Let's see what it is. Once you come here, under your performance rating, you select 90. You can see your chart is indicated. It's indicated as what? It is in 90. Let's select like 30%, 30% over 100. You can see your gauge chart is moving. That is what it is interactive. So please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.